So that brings us to stage 3 of rotator cuff rehabilitation. And I define that as between weeks 8 and 12. So really it's that first month after doing passive range of motion only. At this point, discontinue use of the sling, and if you haven't achieved full passive range of motion, then continue working on passive range of motion exercises. But in addition, you can begin actively moving. And that means that the shoulder muscles themselves are being used to create motion at the shoulder joint. And that could be forward elevation, that can be external rotation, internal rotation, and a combination. Many times, stage 2 overlaps a little bit with stage 3, and that's because in the real world, these stages sometimes aren't really distinct. The restrictions are distinct, but if you do not have full range of motion by 8 weeks, it's important to keep stretching passively so you can regain that range of motion. But meanwhile, we're going to start waking those muscles up by working on active range of motion. That means no lifting, pushing, pulling, just the weight of your arm. And if you have some weakness, help it a little bit with your other arm as you're going through that range of motion. And that would be coming up, to the side, and obviously rotation.